What is up, guys? Today we had a massive snowfall in the past 24-hour skipped, and today we're going to show you a massive icicle that has grown, and it's really close to touching this, and just a massive massive area, as you can see. This is Oliver. He has grew. Oh, there you are. And it just looks so cool because we never had this before. And I just don't know what to say because I'm so amazed. So, Oliver doesn't like to. Oliver too. And make sure to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so to see more stuff like this and other ones. So bye. Oliver. I'm gonna Zambo. Wait, Dad, do you want to film me running into that snow pile? Sure. I'm out of Cadabra. Oh! It feels like a belly flop.